He connected with me and my wife very well. The way I got a hold of Valverax is I went online looking for a window company, and no one could replace my, I guess we call them greenhouse windows. And finally, I met someone who recommended Valverax to check with you. And that's how I kind of came across you. Other window companies explained it to me that you could do these like 5.5 or so windows by 3, but they couldn't do the, I guess they call them half moons, like curved windows at the top. And I didn't want to do just half the program or half the project. And next thing I know, I had contacted Valverax, like I said, and they did some research and went the extra mile to become a distributor for the company who made these. And anyway, with that, they saved me some money. And I was very, very pleased with them going the extra mile, Andrew, and I guess the owner, Jerry. And that's why I went with Valverax. Yeah, my overall experience from the start to the finish, Victor, was, just the professionalism that I received was, it went a little bit farther than that. It was basically the customer service that drew me to do this recommendation for you guys. That the owner came out, he gave me an estimate, honest, opinion of what I needed. And then Andrew, my salesperson, was tremendous. As I said earlier in one of the videos, he actually went to the distributor for these kind of windows. And anyway, he was able to find me a better price, and he went the extra mile to do that for me. And I just felt like, not many companies do that today. And I was very impressed with, from top to bottom, for Valverax. And even the installers who came out, amazing. They were tremendously professional and very patient with me throughout the whole process. The main reason we utilize this edition of our house is basically you can see over my shoulder, the beautiful view of our backyard. We press into a woods, and it's a view that you don't get with a regular picture window, even if it's a large picture window. This gives us a view in the morning of all kinds of beautiful things happening in the yard, and I just think that these windows are very unique. I replaced them for that reason. Yeah, I have a garden that I put in, and one thing I did, I don't know if you want this in the video, but this used to be woods back here, and I cleared it out about 10 years ago, not by myself completely. I had somebody take all the big lumber, and then I cleared all the little stuff, and we planted grass. And so it used to be woods out this windows for 20 plus years. And now we've got a yard and a beautiful garden in the back. Keep an eye on, no critters going into my garden. But yeah, it's an amazing view that I don't think you can get unless you live in a very, very nice country rural area. That I think I have the best of a situation with these types of windows. Well, I'll say this. I knew the owner and the sales rep would be, the way I want to say representative of a company, because they got to be professional. But I got to be honest, I was very amazed at, and forgive me for not knowing their names, but the installers, Vitaly and Mike. They were up and above any other installers that I've dealt with over 3 or 4 decades. And just all are nice, but Vitaly and Mike were amazing representatives of your company. And I don't think I'll ever have that experience with someone who puts something into the house, like remodeling or construction, like they did. Yeah, and that's the truth. Would I recommend Valverax company? And the reason would be, I would absolutely recommend them. Valverax, as I've already mentioned in the previous testimonies, that this is something you don't find in today's business world. Someone to go the extra mile and do customer service for someone that I'm a first-time customer. I'm not even a repeat customer, because I know we take care of our repeat customers many times, but Valverax took care of me like I had been with them for years and years. And I just can't get over how well they are run from top to bottom, and basically how they took care of my need. Everything they said was honest, and everything they reported. They had a delay on something, and they kept communicating with me through the whole process. And there was never any of, hey, when they're gonna get this done. They told me the exact dates, and just everything again goes back to the word of They were very professional.